It's now time to add some interior custom trim. Let's do it. For today's short install video, I'll be installing a replacement gear shifter with the 4Runner Lifestyle aluminum, or I think it's aluminum, but it's heavy duty, that's for sure. And I will do a quick unboxing for you for anyone considering. So you will need this nut there. And if those of you that remember my last video of installing these covers here, the gloss black here, I just had to literally unscrew the gear shifter, and it's just going counterclockwise, and eventually it literally sits on a screw. So you're taking it off of that, and then there you have it. So there's your screw, and what we're gonna do is actually put this on a few turns, not too much. It just kind of sits on there, and then we will be putting this guy, wow, this is actually really heavy duty, over and screwing it in place and just basically getting it nice and straight. So we put the jam nut on the thread, and then you're going to just take a 1/2 inch ratchet, and you're just going to go down about a halfway of the threads on the shifter. Probably until about right there, because on the inside of this shifter there's a little hole, if you can see it, that will sit, this will sit on, and then you just have to put it in there like that, and then slowly start to tighten it, and you're hoping that it tightens facing forward. As you can see, this one's, it's tight here, but it's facing the wrong way, so I'll just have to make an adjustment to the jam nut. There it is, guys. Got it nice and tight, nice and snug, and it is installed. What do you guys think so far? If you think the inside is starting to come together, words are hard today, a little bit, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And this is the 4Runner Lifestyle aluminum gear shift knob. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.